Our new generation portable charging solution from First Power Technology. One charger, multiple installation options. The FST-H Series can be used as a portable charger, wall-mounted charger, or stand-mounted charger. Available in 10 kilowatt and 20 kilowatt versions. Range of charging demands. Designed for smarter operation. With SD card support, software updates and charging record export can be completed quickly and offline, simple, secure, and efficient. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, the FST-H Series can be connected to FST Load Management, enabling coordinated charging and centralized operation. Compact on the outside, powerful on the inside. Built for real-world conditions. High protection, built for outdoor use, reliable in tough conditions. Smart interface. Easy operation. From mobile use to fixed installations, from compact spaces to outdoor environments, the FST-H Series is ready to power your application.